Okay, I will open you the colorful pages. Are you ready? This is the story about the fox and the stork. Once upon a time, there is a new stork in the pond. Suatu hari, ada burung bangau kecil yang datang ke danau. She wants to make friends. Dia pengen punya teman nih, sama kayak kalian kalau baru masuk ke kelas baru, pengen berteman gak? Pengen ya. And then he come to the pond. Good morning everyone. Who wants to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? Yeah, please be my friend, okay? And then the other animals come to the stork.
Hello, my name is Foxy. I want to be your friends. Ha ha ha.
But guys, do you know what happened? The Foxy is kind of sneaky. Dia Foxy-nya itu agak-agak mau jahil. Rubahnya mau jahilin si bangau. Menurut kalian jahil itu baik nggak? Oh enggak. And then the stork say, "Okay, be my friend please." Okay. And then the fox said,
Do you want to come to my home? Apakah kamu mau datang ke rumahku? Siapa yang mau datang ke rumah rubah? Ayo kita ikut ya, datang ke rumah rubah ya.
Okay. Ready? Ayo kita pura-pura jalan. Kita datang nih ke rumahnya rubah. Okay? How do you do when you arrive at someone's door? Apa yang kalian lakukan ketika sampai ke rumah seseorang? Ayo kita ketok pintunya rubah. 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Excuse me.
Spada.
This is the stork knocking. Foxy, are you in the house? And then the fox opened the door.
Hello. Yes, I'm in the house. Let's come in. I want to serve you
Some food. Dia mau kasih bangaunya makanan. Can you see this one? What is this? You don't know? This is called Yeah, a soup. Betul. This is a soup. Yes. The fox brought a bowl of soup. Rubahnya? Iya, supnya sup sayur jadi hijau ya. And then the fox brought the bowl to the stork.
Here is a food for you.
Okay. He brings the bowl.
Here is a soup for you in the bowl, stork. Let's eat together.
Ayo kita makan, Elvando. Ayo kita ikut makan supnya. Oke? Iya, tunggu di situ ya. Let's see. He brings a bowl of soup. And then, do you know what happened? When the stork eats the soup from the bowl, kalian kalau makan sup langsung diminum apa pakai sendok? Pakai sendok. Tapi kalau dia pakai sendok nggak teman-teman? Nggak bisa. Dia hanya pakai paruhnya langsung. Jadi dia kebentok. Waktu dia makan bunyinya kwak, kwak, kwak. Ayo kita bikin paruh di mulut kita. Lalu kita jadi bangun. Ayo kita makan di mangkok. Kwak, kwak. Kepentok ya? Nggak bisa. Bangaunya nggak bisa makan dari bowlnya. And then do you know? He cannot. Yang bisa foxnya doang, ya. And then the stork, it feels sad. Dia merasa sangat sedih karena dia nggak bisa makan. Padahal sudah lapar. Padahal sudah kepengen supnya. And then she said inside her heart, minum air putih. Okay. And then the stork said inside her heart, "Oh no, the fox is being mean to me." Ternyata rubah ini jahil sama aku. Aku dikasih makanan, tapi aku nggak bisa makan. Aku mau balas. Baik nggak ya membalas kejahatan teman-teman? No, boleh nggak kita balas teman kalau dia usil? Nggak usah ya. Aduh, apa nih yang terjadi? And then the stork invited the fox. Terus bangaunya mengundang rubah. Hey Foxy, do you want to come to my home too? To have some soup? And then the fox said,
Oh ya, I want to come to your house to have the soup. Oke, aku mau datang ke rumahmu buat makan sup.
tapi apa ya yang terjadi ya? Apakah akan pakai mangkuk lagi? Let's check the book. Tidak. Oke, kita lihat ya. Apa yang terjadi? Loh, sekarang mereka pakai mangkok nggak? Pakai apa sekarang? Pakai apa? Piring, gelas.
Sama piring.
And this one, yang ungu, apa nih? Botol. Iya. Now, the stork provided the soup inside the bottle. Okay, Fox. Let's eat the food. But the soup now is inside the bottle. Okay? Can you eat the soup from the bottle?
Bisa nggak menurut kalian rubah ini minum sup dari botol? Dia kan nggak punya paru. Bisa nggak? Coba kalian ya, kalau pakai botol kepentok nggak kalau minum? Tuk, tuk, gitu kan?
Kan bisa.
Iya.
Langsung dimasuk dulu baru minum.
Oh, dia nggak bisa megang kayak kita. Dia nggak tahu caranya begini. Dia cuma taunya begini. Tuk, gitu. Kan rubahnya nggak tahu. Dia nggak ada sedotannya botolnya ya. Jadi dia juga nggak bisa minum. And then the fox said, "Oh no, I cannot drink the soup from the bottle. I think, iya, I think my previous thing was wrong.
Kayaknya aku kemarin salah deh sama si bangau.
Okay then, Storky, I wanna say sorry to you." Terus rubahnya minta maaf teman-teman sama si bangau karena sudah sengaja pakai mangkok. I also say sorry to you because I used the bowl and I used the bottle so you cannot drink. Mereka lalu sama-sama minta maaf. Sorry, I don't want to hurt you anymore. Let's be friends, okay? Jadi kalau kita bersalah sama teman, kita harus bilang apa teman-teman? Sorry. Terus kita harus memaafkan juga nggak? Iya ya. So we say sorry. The stork say sorry. The fox say sorry. And then they become friends together. The end. That's the end of the story.